Welcome to Read Aloud Australia. Today we are going to learn math addition. 2 plus 9 equals 11. Boing. 3 plus 7 equals 10. Sproing. 5 plus 6 equals 11. Bounce. 4 plus 8 equals 12. Boing, boing. 7 plus 5 equals 12. Splash. 8 plus 3 equals 11. Bloop, bloop. 6 plus 6 equals 12. Boing. 9 plus 4 equals 13. Bounce. Rubber ball math.
Boing! Let's add numbers.
Boing.
Bounce and learn.
Bounce.
Math is fun.
Boing.
10 plus 5 equals 15. Boing. 11 plus 4 equals 15. Bounce. 12 plus 3 equals 15.
Splash.
13 plus 2 equals 15. Boing. 14 plus 1 equals 15.
Boing.
15 plus 5 equals 20.
Bounce.
16 plus 4 equals 20.
Boing.
17 plus 3 equals 20.
Bloop. Rubber ball math.
Boing, splash and count.
Boing.
Bounce and learn.
Bounce.
Numbers everywhere.
Boing.
20 plus 11 equals 31. Boing. 21 plus 9 equals 30.
Bounce.
22 plus 8 equals 30.
Splash.
23 plus 7 equals 30.
Boing.
24 plus 6 equals 30.
Boing.
25 plus 5 equals 30.
Bounce.
26 plus 4 equals 30.
Boing.
27 plus 3 equals 30.
Bloop. 30 plus 10 equals 40.
Boing. 31 plus 9 equals 40.
Bounce. 32 plus 8 equals 40. Splash.
33 plus 7 equals 40.
Boing. 34 plus 6 equals 40. Boing.
35 plus 5 equals 40.
Bounce. 36 plus 4 equals 40. Boing.
37 plus 3 equals 40.
40 plus 10 equals 50. Boing.
41 plus 9 equals 50.
Bounce. 42 plus 8 equals 50. Splash.
43 plus 7 equals 50.
Boing. 44 plus 6 equals 50. Boing.
45 plus 5 equals 50.
Bounce. 46 plus 4 equals 50. Boing.
47 plus 3 equals 50.